So every year, global partners, including World Health Organization, member states, have set aside 31st May as World No Tobacco Day. A day set aside to look at the policies aimed at controlling tobacco and the harmful effects associated with tobacco use, to look at whether we've done well with the interventions we've put in place as member states. And this year, the theme is Unmasking the Appeal, exposing tobacco industry interference or exposing tobacco industry tactics. And you can all bear with me that innovative products are coming up. Prevalence on the combustible is going down, but the newer products like the shisha, like the electronic nicotine delivery systems, which are flavored to appeal to particularly the youth, is coming up. So, built up to the day, we are actually doing a lot of media advocacy, media engagements. We are going to the schools as early as the preschools. We've written to Ghana Education Service on the theme and the effects of tobacco use, so that the day 31st, it will be marked in all schools nationwide. And then the day itself, we are going to mark it in Volta Region. And somebody will ask, why Volta Region? So the border towns are known to be areas where the illicit products or the trendy forms are really being patronized. They pass through on unapproved orders and have enter into our markets. So we are doing a 3 or 4 day advocacy and then the launch. So on Thursday, there will be a market day back where we would engage the market queens and speak to them on the dangers, go there with a brass band and try to appeal to them on the dangers of these products so they will know and then inform their children or their wards. Then we also talk to them about secondary smoking or passive smoking, because if you happen to be smoking in the presence of somebody who is smoking, or you are in the presence of somebody smoking, what we call passive smoker, your life is in danger. Then on the Friday, we will do a medical health outreach. Why have we introduced that? So aside the talk and the engagements that we've been doing, we want to have a people-centered approach, community-centered approach. We go to the community to do public education and advocacy on the dangers of substances. But what we intend doing differently is to go and talk to them about the NCDs, lifestyle modification, and what the dangers of these products are. And at the end of the day, do screening, have health professionals with us who will do medical screening. We are engaging pharmaceutical companies to even get products that can treat diseases of common occurrence. If it's chronic and it needs referral, we'll be referring to the hospitals. We are using the medical school and the pharmacy school in Volta Region to use their 5th year students to do this advocacy. Then after the health walk, medical outreach goes through their principal streets. We also want to take control of all their media space, be on all the traditional media, print media, social media. So right when you enter Volta Region, you know the presence of Food and Drugs Authority. We are not doing this alone. We are doing it with CSOs, NCD Alliance, VAST, Vision for Accelerated Sustainable Development, our chiefs, other opinion leaders, Ministry of Health. So this year, World No Tobacco Day, we are all storming Volta Region. And on the Monday, which is 2nd, the 31st falls on a Saturday. The Monday, which is 2nd, we do the launch. Then the post World No Tobacco Day activities continues. This is nationwide. This is happening nationwide, but the launch itself will be in Volta Region. And for all the schools, we have written to Ghana Education Service, the school health educational program, and given them the theme We are engaging them. They are going to do artwork, publications, so that at World No Tobacco Day, we actually would have poster presentation. These artwork will be on display. Prizes will be given to these students, all to whip up their interest in tobacco control activities, so that as a nation, it can accelerate some of the gains we've made. That won't end it. Even after 31st May, all the educational programs will be continuing in our markets, public transport terminals, in our churches. We would have debates with our chiefs. So just so that we can sustain the momentum. And I know that Ghana NCD Alliance and VAST, we won't be left out because you are our collaborators on this.